The State Department has released another huge batch of Hillary Clinton's emails, and more than 125 of the new emails contain censored classified material. The emails come from Clinton's time as Secretary of State. She used a personal email server instead of sending those sensitive messages through protected State Department servers. The new batch of 7,000 emails includes complaints from staffers. They express concerns over discussing sensitive diplomatic matters outside the government's secure messaging systems.